Hi, this is Dr. Tochi with today's dream interpretation. Remember, if you need your dream interpretation from me, you can go to my website at tochi.us and book your dream interpretation. It will be sent to you as a PDF document, okay? I also have divinations, other kinds of consultations, spiritual practice coaching books, courses, products, and more on my website. Now, today's dream. This one is a very common dream to those who have been called to spiritual practice, and it's rather straightforward. The person often dreams of being shown herbs, plants, roots, things of that nature, used for healing, used for treating a number of ailments. And in these dreams, usually they will have someone, it could be a male figure, female figure, taking them into the forest or into the bushes, taking them to the water, and specifically showing them things, plants that can treat specific ailments. And when the person wakes up, they do remember what they were shown. These are one of the indicators for healers, those who've been called to spiritual practice of healing. And I usually recommend going to an authentic spiritual practitioner to confirm this. There are some instances where someone will have this kind of dream just as a one-off. So if there's a specific illness the person is having, or someone close to them is having, or they might even have a dream where someone will say to them, a person will come to you with such and such illness. Here's what you're going to use to treat them. Okay, so such people may not be called to spiritual practice because it's just a specific person that they're being shown this thing for. But majority of the people who have these kind of dreams are spiritual practitioners, and their specific discipline is healing. If you have this kind of dream, that's what it's all about. Make a note. Have a notebook where you write down the things you're being shown, because after a few days you might forget. A lot of times you might forget. You also have these dreams when, let's say in the lineage, an older person, an ancestor used to be a healer and didn't have someone to hand down that information to. And the spirit guides in charge of healing just figure, well, we need to teach someone directly in this lineage, and they will come and show you in the dream. The important thing is that everything you are shown, you have to make a recording of. Okay? Write down the name, write down the illness or ailment, write down the date, write down the quantity, preparation methods, and things of that nature. Okay? Don't take it for granted, because there are some people who keep having these kinds of dreams and they keep blowing it off, and eventually those dreams stop. And if they stop, they're sometimes very hard, not sometimes, a lot of times very hard to restart. Okay? There are some people who have these kind of dreams that end up becoming medical doctors, allopathic doctors, or they become nurses, alternative healers, naturopathic doctors, things of that nature. That's okay. Just realize that the specific things you were shown, you can use as an adjunct to what you are doing. So you can use it alongside what you are doing based on your formal education, because these are the things that will make a spectacular difference in your healing profession. So let's say you are a physician and you have these kinds of dreams where this information is shared to you. These are the things that will make you a spectacular doctor, because this is information that your colleagues do not have and that you can use for your patients. Of course, with their permission and their knowledge. You don't force it upon people. You just let them know, hey, I got this, but here's something else. If you want, we can add this to your regimen. These are not the sort of dreams you should take lightly. And the responsibilities that come with people with this gifting is very high. Should you choose not to follow through, repercussions might be high. I encourage you to go to my YouTube channel and watch my video, having been called to spiritual practice. If you don't obey, there are, unfortunately, material and spiritual consequences, because this is your life destiny, what you came here to do. And if you frustrate your spiritual crew, guess what? Your spiritual crew will frustrate you too. So I hope you enjoyed today's dream interpretation. Let me know in the comments section your experiences and your thoughts.